Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the day the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. The summer is really summery and I'm out to enjoy the summer. So today I am visiting a park in Houston, Texas. This is the Camden Park. This is a unique park because it has a lot of features that most parks don't have. So come with me as I show you this park. Seeing my video for the first time, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Click the thumbs up button to like this video and also share with your friends and your family. I have a lot of nice videos here that will benefit you. In this channel, I talk about health, good food, and faith, and lifestyle. So I visited a very beautiful park in Houston, Texas, and that is the Camden Park. The Camden Park is situated or located in the heart of Houston, and it is in the West Chase area of Houston. So come with me as I show you this park. So this park is unique in that it has some extra features that the usual park does not have. So there's parking inside this amazing park. You can also walk through this bridge, this beautiful bridge. Yes, I had to walk through this bridge, which makes the scenery very beautiful. So we have several trails beside the park that you can walk through. So this is one of the unique features of this park. It has a stage for musical performances or any kind of performance, and it also has seating area where people can sit and watch like a theater. And we have this beautiful painting in this park. It's so beautiful. It fits the summer. Yeah. So up there you can see there's another sitting area up there. I'm going to go up there very soon. Yeah, so I'm actually here for an event, and it was a great opportunity for evangelism. I'm going to go up there very soon to show you how upstairs look like. They have sitting area up there also. If you have guests, kind of a meeting place. Yeah, that's very good. That area is very good for it. So this is a play area for kids, okay, like a normal park has. So it's a play area. I like this bird. So that's one of the unique features you have here. So another thing I want you to know that the KSPJ ice cream emergency is normally in the summer period, and I am using this opportunity for evangelism. We had some other churches in attendance also. You can see there are different booths and tables. Yeah, so the setting up the KSPJ ice cream emergency event attracts a lot of people because they give out free ice cream. So I'm using it to reach out to people, to evangelize to them, tell them about Jesus Christ. So this is the ice cream and the yard sign. That's the signature Bluebell ice cream given out by KSPJ. By the way, KSPJ is a Christian radio station in Houston. They also gave out this yard sign that encourages people to pray and never stop praying. Yes. So let me show you a walkthrough. So I'm going upstairs now to show you how the sitting area upstairs looks like. So yeah, there's a walkway up there. Yes, a brief staircase, then you walk through the hard rope. So you can see that sitting area behind me where people can sit if you're there for a meeting. They say they have a Sunday coffee event here also, or a coffee shop, something like that. So that sitting area is very good. If you have friends, you want to sit out with them, it's a good place to visit and sit out with your friends. Yeah. So to my left, we have the play area for kids. Yeah, kids can play. So I'm just walking around to enjoy this beautiful environment. So we actually have walking trails in this around this park. So we have like 2 or 3 walking trails that bounce this park that you can, if you like walking, you can walk through, enjoy this area. So that's the kids play area over there. Yeah, so this is sitting area also. Evangelism is going on and the churches are giving out flyers. Yeah, so they have a Sunday press cafe here. I guess it's only on Sundays. I would like to come back on a Sunday to see how that Sunday press looks like. So, yeah. So I'm still walking around, enjoying the greenery and the beauty of this place. Summer is a good time to bring the family out, enjoy the sun. So I'm just standing near one of the walking trails, as you can see, the walking trail behind me. So it branches into different areas where you can walk. Yeah. So on the evening or in the mornings, you can actually come out to this park to walk around. Enjoyed myself at this park. The event was also great. It's time to go home now. Parking at this Camden Park is limited, so we are parked in that building. As you can see, it's a library. There's extra parking at this library. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, I would like you to binge on my other videos in this channel and subscribe to my channel. Most especially, click the thumbs up button to like this video. Share with your family and friends. Again, there are more videos where this one came from. Click and watch them. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. So before I go, this is the Don't Stop Praying yard sign that I got from KSBJ. So here it is installed. So I hope it inspires you also to continue praying. Don't stop praying. Don't give up on God. God bless you richly. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.